Okay, so a light bulb that won't light, which means we need to get the fixture off the back. And there's a second screw here and one screw there, so we're going to see about getting screwdriver pops in right here. For that screw, and then we put the fixture in exactly the right spot. I got clearance to get my screwdriver onto the second screw. And there we go. Now we can rotate this under here and get that, which I did not see, out. So we'll take these two tiny screws out. Aha! So we'll be able to put this bracket back on and then just slip the fixture up into it. But I'm going to guess that the plastic part of that is broken in the knob. So let's see here. There's a screw here that holds a tab open. Alright, that tab came up, and then that lid insulating fiber contact for the common side. And then, yep, there is a broken piece in this switch. See this, that S-shaped piece snapped. Now, yep, and that has to rotate around and connect to both sides. So with that snapped, it doesn't touch both sides. Alright, well, what can we do about that? Let's see. Just a minute. Alright. See this piece that I put in the old switch body? I cannibalized a different lamp switch, and the original lamp switch just had a hole in the center, and so I soldered the remaining part of the spring that's broken onto the side of it to drive the disc. And so there's the original spring on this side, and then a new bent up side from the other lamp switch. So we'll see how that works. Otherwise, we'll have to go to more extensive problems. All right, we've got our new contrived switch spring in, and that means that we can set our light contact in place. Right now, aha. Okay, so the light contact goes in that side, and then the cover goes on, and then the red contact, which is sprung, goes in there like that, and then this insulating cover has nope, that metal clip was on the way outside. That clip goes around the bottom, and then that cover is sprung in place with this long screw. It has to go through everything until it hits its threads, and then it clamps in place. And now, with that clip on, there we go. And I know what, I'm gonna stick a light bulb in here, and while it's hanging loose like this, we'll plug it in. Alright, unplug it. There we go. Rotate, off. Sweet. Hopefully that will work for a little while. And then, since we learned about the tiny screws up underneath, I'm going to use I'm going to leave that outlet or the plug out, or the put these bracket screws in first, and then the other screws, despite being upside down, will be easier to get at overall. Although here. Okay. We'll plug it back in and try it one more time. Now it's put together. Yay! There we go. One more thing. That ball is the one that was stuck down because it's near the all the lint and stuff from the thread, and I took a pin and I poked around in there with the oil so that it would wash the goo out and loosen that ball up, so it popped up too. The Visetti is ready and eager to go to a new home.